Hello, welcome to Nat's Creations. Today we are going to make a beautiful purple flower. We are going to start off with getting our paper, pencil, our handy dandy eraser, the chalk pastels. I am using pastel paper. Also, we're going to need to tape your paper to your counter space. After you're done taping up your four corners, we can go ahead and pick out our chalk pastel colors. We are going to use a light purple, a darker purple, even darker color purple, a black, a white, a green, and a darker green. We're going to start by picking up your pencil and drawing the stem of the flower. It's going to go down and go off into the distance, like that. Now, we're going to start drawing the petals. Once you're finished drawing the petals, go ahead and take your dark purple and make some line veins. Once you're done with that, we're going to make the center. Take your black and make some stripes outward. Like that. We're going to make the pollen pockets. Like that. Now we will take our lighter purple and go in between our veins. Make some lines that go out like that. As you see, we're starting to lose our veins, but that's okay, that's how it's supposed to be. We're going to be able to go back and get those veins later. Once you're done with that, we are going to take our dark purple again and go back and make the veins like that. Once you're done with that, we are going to take our other purple. Kind of looks like a blue, but go along the edges. Where the purple is. Add some more purple right over here. Once you're done with that, we're going to take our black and make the petal outlines. Oops, I made that one too long. So I'm going to go back and take it Rub it on there. Like that. Now we're going to make some access petals. Kind of coming out here. Filling them with purple. Once you're done with that, we are going to fill in our stem with a light green. Now we're going to take our darker green We're going to make a leaf here with some dark green veins. The rest of it filled in with light green. After you're done with the leaf, you can continue to fill in with the dark green. Once you're done with the dark green, you can actually take a new blue. I am grabbing a light blue and going up here. You're done, blow it off, and try to add a second layer. Once you're done with it, you can go ahead and mix it in. You can go ahead and take your blue or purple and go in between and get what you didn't get already. Now we are going to take our white and make some hazy clouds. Stretching across our sky. Now we're going to blend in the grass. And that concludes our flower tutorial. Thanks so much for watching Nat's Creations. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any suggestions for my next video, you can also tell me down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!